Hello, Suhaib.
Hello, Dad.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me the names of all these animals?
Okay.
It's a challenge. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for that
Yeah.
challenge? Okay. What is this?
Tiger. Tiger. I mean lion.
Okay.
Leopard. Wolf.
Okay.
Deer. Kangaroo. Giraffe. And zebra. Panda. Bear. Bear.
They both are bears.
Yeah.
What is the difference between both these bears?
This bear is white. This bear is black.
Okay. Now you'll have some difficult animals. I think you don't know about them.
I know about them.
Okay, let's see. Tell me, what is this?
This is the rhino.
Rhino?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the. I know. I know. I
You
know.
don't know?
I know. I know. I know.
Okay, tell me.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah.
Okay, and this?
The hunting pig.
Oh, hunting pig. Okay. We call it boar.
Boar.
Okay. Yeah. And this?
Elephant.
Elephant. And this?
It's actually not a wolf. It is a fox.
Fox. Okay.
Yeah.
And this?
Hyena.
Hyena. Okay.
Hyena is so dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yeah.
They're not dogs.
They are wild dogs.
Wild dogs. Okay.
Yeah.
And this?
Gorilla. He does like this.
Yeah, fine. And this?
Monkey.
Monkey.
He does like this.
Okay, fine. What is this?
Crocodile.
Crocodile?
Yeah.
Is not alligator?
No, it's a crocodile.
What is the difference between crocodile and alligator? You know?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alligator has this face and crocodile has this face. This is crocodile.
This is not alligator?
No, it's crocodile.
And what is this?
Chameleon.
What?
Chameleon.
Chameleon?
Yeah.
I thought it's a lizard.
It's not a lizard. This is chameleon. Because he changes his colors.
Changes his color?
Yeah.
How it can change?
Like this. Mm.
Okay. Fine. So, it's not gecko?
This is not gecko.
Okay, do you know about geckos?
Yeah.
Okay, now you tell me, from all these animals, which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite?
Up, up, up.
The one your favorite.
I don't like lion. I don't like tigers. I don't like lion. I love only cheetah and wolf.
Cheetah and wolf?
Yeah.
So, the one most favorite.
It is.
Your favorite.
It is
It is, I think, zebra.
It's not zebra. It's wolf.
It's wolf?
Yeah.
Why you
Because
like?
he howls at
They howl? But once you told me that...
Look.
Mm-hmm.
The wolf. This is the werewolf, actually.
This is the...
Werewolf.
Okay. So, your favorite is giraffe.
Yeah. No. My favorite is wolf.
Wolf?
Yeah.
Why you like it so much?
Because he howls at the moon and then he just walks like the human. Then he runs like a tiger.
Do you know what we call a whole family of wolves?
Yeah.
We call them?
It's called a pack.
A pack.
Yeah.
Good. And why they howl?
How they howl?
Yeah. What is the purpose of the howling?
If they howl at the moon,
Mm-hmm.
imagine this is the A wolf and there is the B wolf.
Yeah.
A wolf don't know that where is B wolf, then he is gonna to howl. The B wolf will just howl too. Then he will jump over the mountains. Then he will come at a wolf. Okay?
Okay, so they howl to.
Call another wolf.
Okay, they howl to call another wolf. Right.
Just like this. We call everybody to just add our food. And wolves don't have food.
Yeah.
They howl. Then they call another wolf.
Okay, fine. I understand it now.
Yeah.
Friends, you can also learn a lot of things along with Suhaib.
And also subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, subscribe to
With
the
that, you are going to have more videos to come.
Yes,
And
we're
I'm going to tell you another special thing with a wolf.
yeah.
You know, which has spots and he runs fast. Who is this? I will tell you. It's cheetah. My
Yeah.
most favorite
Suhaib-
animal, wolf and cheetah.
Suhaib always likes to talk, but friends, if you follow Suhaib and Suhaib's learning journey, we are going to make it very simple, and the things will be just so fun. And I hope you will like it. More videos. Subscribe to the channel. Bye, and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.